What should OEMs and system designers be thinking about now to stay ahead as we transition into these hybrid and electric options? I mean, is it controls? Is it, I don't know, AI? What is
Yeah, I
it?
think that's a great point again. So to me, I think one thing that I always notice, like when you go to a customer, they have clearly defined people, so they have hydraulic domain experts, they have controls people, and then they may have now electric people, like the power electronics guys, but they are all different people. So, but I think that needs to be like more a cross-functional. They need to intermix. They need to know about each other's domain. So to me, that's probably the biggest thing I would do or I would recommend to them. And then I would also say, let's make some pilot projects. Don't be, let's create some electrified system, maybe hybrids, because hybrids probably make more sense in many of the equipment that we work on, like off-highway type applications, and let's learn from them. I think there is a lot of lessons to be learned when you do these pilot projects, and then also use that as a training bed for the upcoming engineers, and you make them cross-functional domain experts. Maybe focus on simulation, because I think simulation has a lot to play. Just because the duty cycles are all over the place, you don't want to over design things because it's very expensive. At an operations level, I would say supply chain becomes critical. I would make sure the supply chain folks are up to the standard, that they can handle the what's coming. And then of course, controls is also the key, but again, that's just another piece of that. So I think that's what I would recommend at a high level, what the customer should do. And then also, I would say involve different people, involve suppliers, and key suppliers. There's a lot of knowledge out there, and people this is the time to share, go to conferences, and you can come up with some really good ideas, and you can get the ROI very quickly, in my opinion.